100 Motivational Tips. Part 1. Compiled by Imtiaz Ali Tahiri. 1. Keep a positive attitude for 24 hours. 2. Help someone out today. 3. Smile at someone today. 4. When times are tough, think of all your achievements. 5. Enjoy what you do as a profession. 6. Have a time when you start work and a time when you finish. 7. Surround yourself with positive, successful people. 8. If you are in a deep, deep hole, start climbing. 9. Remember your manners. 10. Keep your desk neat and tidy. 11. Become an expert in time management. 12. Be thankful if you have a family and friends. 13. Only have positive friends. 14. Only think positive thoughts. 15. Be thankful for your family and friends. 16. Read as many books as you can. 17. Learn to control your temper. 18. Finish tasks that you start. 19. Keep your work environment neat and tidy. 20. Donate to a worthwhile charity. 21. Save money for tough times. 22. Every person you meet is a potential customer. 23. Be professional at all times. 24. Remain calm under pressure. 25. Take an interest in the people you do business with. 100 Motivational Tips. Part 2. Compiled by Imtiaz Ali Tahiri. 26. Get some exercise every day. 27. Learn something new every day. 28. Help out someone in need. 29. Donate some money or time to a charity. 30. The time is right now. 31. Keep your mind sharp and focus on your goals. 32. Make sure you are on time for your appointments. 33. Build a huge network of successful people to help you out. 34. Help others out during tough times. 35. Keep moving forward. 36. You never know how long you have on this planet, make the most of it. 37. Waste none of your time. 38. Keep some money stored away for an emergency. 39. Start a charity of your own. 40. Market your business on social networking sites. 41. Reach for that dream of yours. 42. What are you waiting for? 43. If you love what you are doing, then it is not work. 44. Focus your mind on only the positive things happening in your life. 45. Take on the world, you have nothing to lose. 46. Go at it 100% or it's not worth doing. 47. Only do things that you enjoy, that make you laugh loudly. 48. Do you know what you want to do with your life? If not, now is the time to find out. 49. Experience the world, all of it. 50. Try not to take on too much each day. 100 Motivational Tips. Part 3. Compiled by Imtiaz Ali Tahiri. 51. Focus on your dreams and develop a career out of it. 52. Are times tough or do you just think they are? 53. The world is going to be terrible if you walk around with a frown. 54. Smile each day and smile to other people, brighten people's days, so smile. 55. Get busy making your billions. 56. Learn how to control your temper. It's a daily skill. 57. Always remember that you have options. 58. Work to a deadline, it keeps you focused. 59. Set out a easy daily schedule for yourself so you have time for everything. 60. If you drive a car or ride a bus, use the time in traffic creatively. 61. Pursue your dreams in life. 62. Don't leave your manners at home. 63. Work a little bit more each day. 64. Strive for bigger things. 65. Instead of criticizing somebody, get to work on your dreams. 66. Have a fantastic day, it's better than the alternative. 67. Lift somebody up. 68. You have options, you can continue an argument or diffuse it. 69. Clean your car yourself, you learn quite a bit that way. 70. do all those things you keep telling yourself you can never do. 71. The time will never be just right, just go ahead now. 72. Keep educating yourself, lots to learn out there. 73. Be the first to introduce yourself to somebody, they might make you rich. 74. Know exactly where everything is. 75. There are so many wonderful opportunities out there waiting for you. 100 Motivational Tips. Part 4. Compiled by Imtiaz Ali Tahiri. 76. Try as many different things as you can. 77. Attempt new ventures. 78. Don't wait, go out there and start something. 79. Plenty of business contacts, get started in the gym. 80. The earlier you start work, the earlier you get the business. 81. You will gain valuable experience from every job you do. 82. The bigger your network of contacts, the bigger your chances of success. 83. Where do you see yourself in 10 years' time? 84. Practice your voice every day, a great voice is a great introduction. 85. Read new books, keep your mind fresh with the latest ideas and trends. 86. Try a new puzzle. 87. Keep your home neat and tidy. 88. Have a budget and stick to it, simple as that. 89. Every month invest some of your money for your future. 90. Enjoy each day that you are alive. 91. Work on your mansion brick by brick. 92. Try not to let your mobile phone dictate your life. 93. Use the net and social networking sites to promote your business. 94. Finish a task and reward yourself with a treat. 95. Treasure the one you love with all your heart. 96. Plant a tree. 97. Recycle and look after the environment, it's the only one we have. 98. Pick up litter and keep your suburb clean. 99. Volunteer and join a charity organization or start your own. 100. Make this year your best one ever.